Hi everyone, Chimp Berserker here, and today I've got an informative tutorial for all you do-it-yourself enthusiasts out there. I'm going to show you how to install a brand new cabin filter in a 2013 Toyota Camry, and the best part is you can do it yourself and save some hard-earned cash. And to my knowledge, this will work for any Camry car from 2012 to 2017. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the installation, let's talk about why changing your cabin filter is so important. Firstly, it will protect and prolong your ventilation fan, which won't need to work so hard pushing against trapped air in a clogged air filter. A new fan will cost a lot of money to replace because it's usually buried deep inside the dash and takes hours in labour and costs to replace. Secondly, you will get better airflow and cooling efficiency during the summer months, so your HVAC system doesn't have to work so hard to cool down your car. This is always good when you jump into a hot car. The sooner it cools down, the better. So we do have a few spots to look for. There's this clip here. There's a stopper here, which you can see it just fits in that groove. And the other stopper is right over here, as you can see. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to take off the hinge support, which is quite easy. You just pull it off and it comes off right here, as you can see. Pull it off. Alright, and then we can actually try and get the stoppers out of the little holes. So now what we need to do is we need to pull them out, and you got to do it on the other side and push down and it will flop out. Now we have the drawer compartment. Okay, and see all the connecting pieces. For this part, there is some wing tabs on this cover, so just push them in and pull it off. And just be careful pulling this out, make sure everything stays on the filter so it doesn't go inside. And it's probably preferable to actually vacuum inside and make sure everything's all good. But luckily for me, everything seems pretty decent. Make sure the filter flow is actually facing downwards, and that way it will filter everything correctly. Put back on the cover and make sure the tabs are sitting nicely and firm. And now we just got to put the drawer back in, and there is little connector tabs at the bottom and they just need to be put in properly. So just see where they connect inwards, just place it inside and then attempt to close the drawer once they're inside. And then we've only got the one last part at the ends. Do take your time. It is sometimes a little bit tricky to put in, just to make it close properly. But don't force anything. You don't want to break any of the parts. So just be very gentle. And once you've got it in and the stoppers are in the holes, so it locks it in place, now you've got to go and add the last bit. Now we just have to reattach the dampener arm, which stops the drawer from slamming open. So we just got to pull out the arm, pull the arm down and align it and push it on. That's it. That's it. That's as simple as that. And you just close your drawer and now you're all done. And there you have it, folks. I hope this tutorial on how to replace your cabin air filter has been informative and helpful. Remember, a lot of regular maintenance helps keep your car clean and fresh. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your feedback is essential and greatly appreciated. It is a fantastic way to say thank you to me and let me know how I can improve. Your input helps create content that's even more valuable for you. Consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. If I come across anything that is useful and maybe helpful to others, I'll create a video because I love sharing knowledge and helping people. So stay tuned for more information and more videos. And lastly, a special thanks for tuning into my video. This is Chimp Berserker signing off.